So how do you download from the Google Drive like more files at once? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you're using the Drive application from Google, right? And if you are downloading like the same file type, for example, photos, you can hold down on the image instead of just downloading singular, like just single photo. You can hold down on it, it will get selected and you can select more items. Then tap on the three dots, more options for those selected items, and save them to the Photos app, for example, right? That's how you can do this. On the other hand, if you are like selecting multiple files, then it may not work out the same way, right? Especially if the files are like of different file type. So this doesn't really let you download it, exactly through the Google Drive application. But okay, if you want to just still make it somehow work, I would recommend you to check out the Apple Files app, go to the Browse section, and then just add the Google Drive in here to the locations. You can do it by clicking the three dots, tapping on Edit, and making sure you have the Google Drive added. And the point is that you can access all of the files like this. And again, it works like the Apple Files app, so you can select multiple different file types, whatever it is, and literally just copy and like paste it to your local storage of the iPhone, right? Which is called On My iPhone. And that way you can move multiple different things, even of different file types, to your local storage or, move them around as much as you need. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.